Hi everybody, welcome back to the Quarter Acre Homestead here in Washington State. It is about February 14th, 2021, and we are in the middle of a pretty big snowstorm for this area. We're in Southwest Washington, about zone 8, and yeah, I thought I'd just do a quick update, show you the Carolina coop. We built this kind of do-it-yourself just from watching Carolina Coop's videos, and they said that if you're not going to buy their coop, that you could copy their ideas. So that's what we did. We've had this for almost a year now, and it's holding up well under this snow load. So just wanted to show you guys. If you're interested in building a coop like this, check the link in the description. You can go to Patreon and sign up and download SketchUp plans as well as PDF plans. So I'm going to flip this video around and show you how much snow is up there. There's a pretty big load of snow up on top of that. The wind was blowing quite a bit, so some of it blew off, but there is probably 8 inches, 6 to 8 inches up on top of that coop, and it's holding up just fine with the trusses we built. The chickens aren't super impressed, are you girls? At least they're all outside. Yesterday they were hanging out inside. What do you guys think of this snow? How is your water doing? We better check to see if it's frozen again. You guys aren't sure about this. A lot of times they just stay inside of their coop, up in there, staying warm and out of the snow. So, let's see here. So, icicles hanging off. Oh, there was a big pile of snow on the egg hutch, but it looks like one of my kids scraped it off. Basically, it was sloped inward because there was so much more snow out here, out from the overhang. So it's kind of weird looking. But it's holding up well. The one thing, since we've had this about a year, I didn't put any really foundation under it, and we have some kind of sandy land, and so it has settled, which has made it so my doors are hard to open sometimes, and I've had to adjust the hinges a couple times. I'm thinking I may jack it up just a little bit, put some concrete under to help hold it level so that the doors don't keep doing that. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Hope it was helpful. Comment below if you have any questions. Hope you're doing well, staying safe this winter. And just a quick shout out, thank you to all of our Patreons, those of you who have bought the coop plans. If you do build the coop, we would love to see pictures and video. So please send those our way. You can send them to Matthew@thequarteracrehomestead.com. We did see some pictures of, I think it was Karen in Texas who built one, and it looked super nice. She put some of her artwork on it. I'll put some pictures of it in this video right here. So we'd love to see how it worked out for you. Also, just thank you for the support on Patreon and just commenting, giving us thumbs up. We really appreciate it. And that's it. So God bless, and we will see you on the next video. So we just had freezing rain over the top of the snow last night. So chicken house, even the chicken wire is covered in ice. Look at at this little bird netting we have. Just covered in ice. It's raining right now. Although it might be warmer than freezing, I'm not sure. What do you chicks think about this? First time in your life you've seen snow, huh?
Yeah, they just turned 1 year old.
Yeah, on what day?
Valentine's Day, yesterday.
You guys don't know what to think, do ya? Want to go back to your house? So we were kind of in the middle of pruning when the snowstorm came, so we kind of have a mess of prunings on the ground. But this snow has drifted up against the fence. It's really deep. We don't usually get snow like this around here. Really far up on the trunks of the trees. And it is warming up, so the snow is, before it was just powdery and blowing, now it is kind of sticking together. We could actually build a snowman or a snow fort. So here's some tracks on our porch, some little birds, and you know what? I think maybe those. Yeah, I think those are raccoons. There's a couple different paw prints there. So, good thing we have a really nice coop to keep our chickens safe. You having fun?